everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot, and in today's video we are looking at what is coming next for you in terms of your career. So as usual, you have three piles in front of you. You can pick out whichever one speaks to you the most, and then we shall start with the very first pile, which is pile 1. And if you've chosen the very first pile, these are your career messages for you. Alright, then we shall start with your tarot cards first, and the very first card for you is that of Knight of Pentacles. Now the Knight of Pentacles, you have to remember, is a card of slow and steady progress. So you shouldn't really expect instant results when it comes to your career. It's almost like you're sowing a seed today, and if you're expecting tomorrow a huge tree to show up, it's not going to work out like that. You need to be extremely patient, but along with having patience, you should also be committed to your career. You should be committed to whatever it is that you're doing, and you should have a proper plan. With proper planning, with a little bit of patience, you will find the success that you are looking out for. Okay, another thing with the very next card is the Ace of Pentacles. Now Ace is a card of new beginnings. Okay, so there is a possibility that you may change your field of work. For a couple of you, you may change your businesses, you may change the company that you're working for. So new job opportunities, if they come your way, you should definitely be taking it. New business ideas are also here coming up. Also new business deals, getting in new clients for you. All of that is possible. This is also a card of beginner's luck, so whatever it is that you do, whatever new things you move towards, they are going to find that initial level of success. That is what is coming up. Another thing here that is very crucial to remember, especially with the Two of Pentacles, is when you're looking out for jobs, or if you go out, looking out for a job, there is a possibility that you may have to choose from two options. Like maybe two jobs are looking equally good, two opportunities look equally good, or two career paths in fact look equally good. But when you feel like you're coming across crossroads, when two things look equally good, it is important to weigh in your options. It is important to look into minute details, okay, the pros and cons of a situation, and only then making a decision. Sometimes, especially if you're a student and you're watching me, this could also indicate, two places of study, two courses of study, and you having to make a choice out of it. Okay, that is something you really need to remember. Sometimes this can also mean you balancing two things. So maybe you're balancing work and you're balancing study together. There is also a possibility like one field of work is like your full-time work, and the second is a hobby that you pursue, something that you're interested in building a career in, So managing two things together, of course, managing your home and managing your business together, all of that is indicated. Okay, but balancing two things here is really coming true. Another thing, especially with the Fool being highlighted here, again, this is a new beginning. So there is a possibility for a few of you in the upcoming year, especially, you might change jobs twice. Okay, which is why I said when you're making a choice, make sure you're making an informed decision. But of course, this is also taking a chance on something, risking something. Like if you believe in something, really going forward towards doing it, especially new businesses, is something that is really coming to me. But of course, for a couple of you, this can also be moving because of work, so maybe you'll get a job offer in another city, maybe you'll get a job offer in another country, and in fact, if you find that offer, it is in your benefit that you take it, because whenever you have a Fool card backed by other card like the Wheel of Fortune, any opportunities that come from outside will sort of bring benefit. For a couple of you, income from foreign sources is also coming here. Of course, if you're a student, moving out of your home, moving to another city, moving to another country for your education can be a very, very useful to you. In fact, if you do that, you'll benefit a lot in terms of long term. Okay, when it comes to your career, you need to understand that you need to have proper plans in place. Of course, this talks about long term planning as well. So what is it that you want to achieve in terms of 5 years? Whatever it is that you want to achieve in 10 years, you need to have proper plans in place. That is extremely important. And coming to your last card, which is the Wheel of Fortune. Now the Wheel of Fortune is always good news, you know. It is about Lady Luck smiling on you. It is like achieving something. So there is a possibility in terms of your work to receive a promotion, you know, receiving a letter that may, you know, bring good news or bringing prosperity in. That is also possible. So receiving a promotion, moving to higher supervisory positions, all of that is possible. But for some of you, this could also be you getting lucky. So this also mean, you know, getting a lucky break, having a dream come true. All of that is possible. Okay, so either way, things look good. Understand something, your progress might be slow, but the progress is definitely coming. Okay, makes sense, you know, with your Moonology card, which says your dreams need a practical plan, which sort of personifies the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so anything that you want to accomplish when it comes to your life, you need to have a practical plan. Even if you want to take a risk about something, it's important to remember that you need to have something to fall back upon, you know. So make that provision that in case you fail towards something, you'll always have this to come back to before you move into that direction. Okay, whatever it is, your dreams, you should go towards them, especially with the Fool and especially with the Ace of Pentacles, but back them up with a practical plan. And again, with the next one is lay a solid foundation. Again, personifies the message of the Knight of Pentacles. So before moving on towards anything, before moving on towards higher levels of your career, it is very important that you have your basics right. So don't jump towards, you know, too many things at the same time. If you're working at something, make sure you're doing it perfectly the very first time. Don't take shortcuts when it comes to your work. Okay, that's something you really need to remember. Make sure you're laying firm foundations for your success. 100% knowledge of what you do is especially important here, you know. Don't go into any situation while having only half knowledge about it. Again, brings me to this message of weighing your pros and cons when it comes to making any choices with regards to your career, your study field or job options. Okay, get your foundations right. Get a solid foundation for yourself is very, very important. Okay, remember something, you know, especially with the Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is something, you know, luck of course will smile at you, but what you do once you get lucky is entirely in your own hands. Okay, so that's one thing you really need to remember. Next is transformation. Or change is definitely coming into your life. Of course, this can be change when it comes to the place where you're working, change when it comes to the field of work entirely. But again, you know, transformation in terms of the place where you're working is in your physical space, the city or the country. All of that is coming through. All right. The next is prosperity. Again, backs the message of the Wheel of Fortune. So money wise as well, you know, you may get a promotion or you may get a salary hike. That is also coming through. But either way, fortune is smiling on you, especially when you're starting a new business. You have that beginner's luck. Okay, and we'll take the last one. You have trust. Okay, so the most important part for you is not to lose faith in yourself, especially when it comes to starting something new. So if you want to start a new business, if you want to start a new career, have faith in yourself, have faith in your abilities, have faith in your hard work, and then move towards it. Okay, that's something you really need to remember. But the basic message, if I have to leave you here with, if you're making any choice, especially with regards to two things, you know, if you have two options ever when it comes to your career, make an informed decision is something I really want to harp here. Another thing is, get your foundations right. Don't go into any situation with half knowledge. And the last one that I'll leave you with is, your success may be slow, but it is going to be steady and it will come. Understand something, you know, sometimes there are some people who make progress very rapidly, and in the end, you know, because they don't have their foundations right, they just fall down. Don't let that happen to you. Get your basics right, get your knowledge base right, and move forward very, very properly. Maybe slow, but steady progress. All right, that is what is coming up for you, and that's your reading when it comes to your career. I will see you in my next one. Bye. And if you've chosen pile 2, these are your career messages for you. Alright, then we shall start with your tarot cards first. And the very first thing that really stands out for me is the card of Nine of Cups, which talks about wish fulfillment. So, with regards to your career, if there is a specific wish you have, or there is something that you really want to achieve, there is a possibility that you actually may achieve it. So, this can be, admission in a dream university, this could be, working for the company that you've always wanted to work, or just having your own business. Any wish that you may have had that you hold very close to yourself regards to your career, that can actually come true. But of course, wishes come true only when you work towards it, and that's something we should never ever forget. Okay, see, another thing for you to remember is you have the strength card. So you have what it takes to achieve whatever you want to achieve. When it comes to your career, the kind of success that you achieve is very much related to your personal power. It's how you feel about what you do. Okay, so if you have that confidence when it comes to achieving your goals, you will achieve it, and nothing can stop you from achieving it. It is all about how you feel about yourself. What I sense is, sometimes when things are not going right for you, there is a possibility that you sort of get discouraged, and that is the point of time when you sort of draw that inner strength, bring that courage out from within, and really work towards whatever it is that you want to achieve. Understand something, when it comes to your career, you have a very unique perspective. Maybe the way you look at things or the way you do it is very different. You're not the kind of person who sort of blindly follows other people, who just does things that everybody else is doing. You have your way of doing things, and that is your plus point. So when it comes to pursuing your own path, pursuing your own career, don't ever forget that you are the lion and you should always be a lion. So quit following the sheep is something that I'll really tell you this. Okay, so following your own path, following your intuition is something you should remember when it comes to making any career decisions for yourself. You have the strength to overcome any adversity. So currently, no matter what situation you find yourself in, you have the strength to overcome any challenges that come your way. Okay, that's something you really need to remember. Another thing for you is the Ace of Swords. Now, the Ace of Swords is having clarity about what you need to achieve for yourself. Okay, so what happens is, when it comes to career, some people don't know what is it that they want, or for some people, they don't really have a goal, they don't really have an ambition, and they just blindly working towards something. For you, it is important to sort of have a plan, to sort of visualize what kind of success do you want to have in your life, where do you see your life heading, what do you want to achieve 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. So having that clarity is especially important. And one thing you need to be very careful of when it comes to your career, when it comes to dealing with people in your work situation, and that is your communication. See, what happens is sometimes when it comes to your area of communication, what you say and what the other person perceives are two different things. So make sure when you're communicating with a colleague, with a boss, you have absolute clarity about what you are saying, and why not ask the person to sort of repeat what they've understood. Okay, because what happens is sometimes you may want to mean something and you mean something else, or maybe the other person perceives it as something else, and because of which there is a possibility of that miscommunication happening, and that is something which sort of works against you when it comes to your career. So have crystal clear communication, especially in your workplace. Okay, that's something you really need to remember. Your next card is the Hanged Man. And the Hanged Man is about having a unique perspective, or changing your perspective towards looking at things. Like I was talking when it comes to the Strength card, the way you look at the world or the way you approach your career is very different, and that is your strongest point. So don't be afraid to have that voice. Okay, so when it comes to your work situation, don't be afraid to stand out. Don't be afraid to stand out as compared to other people. See, there is also a possibility in the upcoming months, and in fact in the coming year, you may also pursue careers that are very different from the rest of them, or you may pursue a career that your friends don't agree upon or your family doesn't agree upon, and that is okay. Just to walk your own path is something that I'll really tell you. Of course, there's another thing that I want to really harp on is when it comes to making any decision, when it comes to taking any important decision with regards to your career, make sure you take time when it comes to making decision. Don't make any impulsive decisions. Okay, so when it comes to making a choice, when it comes to companies, or when it comes to making a choice when it comes to apply for jobs, take a step back. Ask yourself, what do you expect to achieve in the next 5 years, and then see if this company sort of falls into your agenda, is something I really want to remind you of. Again, when it comes to working for an organization, working for a person, you need to ensure that your values are same, because you seem to be a person who's very driven but who's also very value based. Okay, so make sure your values and the values of your company, or the values of the person you're working with, or your person you're working for, is on the same page here. Okay, so always when it comes to making any major decisions when it comes to your work arena, take that step back. Look at things from everybody's perspective. Look at things from the perspective of the other person. Take a look at things from your perspective, and then make that final decisions. Also, for you guys, having a mentor, or working with somebody else can be very, very beneficial. Okay, especially if you are wanting to achieve something in life. Look at your mentors, look at what path they've taken, and sort of take inspiration from them, because that will sort of help you gain clarity, but also guide your steps, is what I'm really getting here. The next one for you is the world card. Now, the world card talks about an achievement. The world is a card of completion. So there is a possibility you may complete a project this year, and that will sort of bring you a lot of accolades. It may give you a lot of recognition when it comes to your workplace. So there is a possibility you may receive a hike when it comes to your salary. You may receive like a hike when it comes to your level. You may become a superior at your workplace. All of that is possible. But for some people, it can also indicate change in your area of work, or the change in the way you do things. Okay, all of that is coming here. There can also be a change in workplace for you, change in the place where you're working. So this can be change of city, change of country. All of that is possible. Travel related to work is also possible. Especially people who are working in travel fields will have a very good time, especially people with marketing fields. You guys, I really see you guys succeeding. Okay, for a couple of you, I also see you going back to school, going back to university to sort of get better, learning a lot, like getting into master's courses, getting into higher education. All of that is possible here. Getting better, like working towards your skill, is also possible. But like I said right at the beginning, achieving something that you've always wanted to achieve is really coming through. Let us look into your oracles. Like I said, you should sort of try and do things your own way. You should sort of be independent when it comes to taking decisions relating to your career. Okay, like I was telling you, when it comes to the world card, don't let your past hold you back. See, there is a possibility you've already achieved a lot in life, but don't let that sort of get into your path, or don't let your past success get into your head. Okay, make sure every given day you start afresh. That's really important to you. And if in the past you've known failure, don't let that hold you back, because every new day brings a new possibility for you. And especially for you, you're very driven, you're very ambitious. Make sure you sort of take the most advantage of that ambition nature of yours. You have exceptional leadership qualities, so make sure you see yourself that way. Okay, abundance financially as well. Things look good. You may actually, complete a project, and because of which, you'll get the recognition that you deserve. Money wise also, there is a possibility you may get a hike. That is possible. Resistance, don't be resistant to growth. That is what I'm really seeing here. Or if people are suggesting something for you, consider it, really go through it, and then take your own decision. Okay. Also, another thing that I want to remind you of is, maybe there is a possibility that you're very sensitive to criticism. Of course, criticism are of two types. One is a kind of criticism which is constructive, and the other one is just from haters. Just make sure you weigh in those things, weigh in what is coming from a good place, and if it is coming from a good place, you should pay attention to that. And don't be resistant to making changes, because there is a possibility that you may want to change the pattern that you work, so don't be resistant to that. All right. And the last one is confidence. Yes, very much the essence here. You have to be exceptionally confident in your own skin. You should be confident in what you bring to the table. Okay, because you're capable of so much more, but you doubt yourself. Don't do that. Be independent, value yourself, and value your voice. There is a lot you can achieve, and if you just go by it by your own way, you will actually achieve it. All right. Shift your thinking, gain clarity, and shift your thought patterns is what is coming through with regards to your career. Yeah, I will leave you with that, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye. And if you've chosen pile 3, these are your career messages for you. Alright, we shall start with your tarot cards first, and what's significant is the very first card, which is the Six of Swords. So currently, no matter what the situation you find yourself in, your future is definitely better. Especially currently in your career, you're finding a lot of ups and downs. Even if you find yourself jobless, trust me, your future looks better, because you're moving away from difficult times and you're entering times that are so much better and so much prosperous for you. Okay, that's something you really need to remember. Something else that's coming up is, there is a possibility you may change your place of work. Okay, so you may change into a new company. You may also move away from your current location to a new location, because Six of Swords also talks about travel. Okay, but either way, I just sense like, for a lot of you, you will change the organization that you work for, or you will change your area of your work. Okay, that's really coming through. Another thing that is important is, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Now, the Eight of Pentacles is really working hard towards getting better at something. So this is like skill building. This is like you taking education towards, a better career. So for a lot of you, you may actually go into university. You may actually take up internships, especially after your student level, all of that is possible. But for a couple of you, you should actually take the time to get better in your area of work. This is like having a specialization towards what you do. So that is really coming through. Mastering a skill set, all of that is coming through. For a lot of you, I sense you guys will actually take a break from your work and maybe go back to university, or take a break and head into a career where you'll just do one thing. Like, your area of work will involve one specific thing. Okay, you will almost become a master at it. That is what I see for you. Another thing that's so significant is the Three of Pentacles, and that is like, getting recognized for doing something, getting recognized for having done a job well. So I again see a lot of promotions coming here well, or recognitions from your superiors, recognitions from people who work with you. Like, you may have really done something well and you're being recognized for that. Again, like I said, you may be getting better at something. So even if you're a student and you're watching me, maybe you'll pass with very good grades, or you'll achieve your rank at your university, and because of which you'll receive a lot of praise. If you are currently working, then you may get that letter of promotion. You'll get that letter, praising you in public eye is also what I'm getting here. Getting that public recognition, all of that is coming through. Of course, with the Ten of Cups, it's like, you're gonna feel satisfied. You're going to be feeling satisfied about the kind of work you're doing. You're also feeling satisfied in terms of the money that I'm getting, So remember, no matter what the situation you find yourself in currently, the future definitely looks better. For a couple of you, I'm also seeing personal businesses, especially for people who've been wanting to start their own businesses. This is a good time. But again, I'm also seeing partnership businesses coming here very, very strongly. Maybe working with a friend, working with a partner, all of that is coming through. For a couple of you, what I'm also seeing is, before starting your own business, you may want to go and work with a person who's already doing whatever it is that you're working with. So this is like, no matter what stage of your career you are in right now, like taking a break, working for a mentor, learning everything that you can learn, and then starting on your own. Okay, that's something that is really coming through. Having a teacher, having someone teach you is something that is really coming very strongly here. Again, materially, I see you guys really, really prospering. Okay, and more than materially, in terms of your career, you're finding happiness, you're finding joy in what you do, because of which I'm getting an overwhelming feeling of having your own business, being your own boss, especially female oriented businesses is really coming through. Something I want to remind you of is, don't try and do everything on your own, especially if you have your own business, because you're carrying too many burdens. Even if you are working for a company, if you're working with somebody else, you're going to have a lot of burdens to carry. So maybe because you're getting a promotion, you're getting a raise of work, your responsibilities have increased as well, and because of which you're feeling slightly burdened. So especially when you're feeling burdened, remember to delegate your work. Don't try and do everything on your own. That's something I really want to remind you of. Another thing that I really want to remind you of, don't bite more than you can chew. Possibly because you guys are pile 3, you have the habit of taking a lot of work, a lot of responsibilities. You are capable of it, but there is such a thing as a work-life balance. So remember to enjoy your work, but to also have a personal life. Okay, again, even if you have your own business, hire help, delegate your work, or outsource work. Okay, all of that is coming through here as well. Teamwork, again, hiring expertise, hiring external expertise, or asking somebody to help you out with one specific area of work, all of that is coming through. Again, what I'm getting here is, for people who are into finances, you guys will see a very, very good time. People who are into private businesses, your businesses I really see flourishing. Okay, home based businesses, if you plan on starting them, that will do really well. Especially people who will convert their hobby into businesses, creative businesses, all of you guys will find a lot of success. Remember something, especially if you have a personal business, make sure to maintain a work-life balance. If you feel like your responsibilities are too much, the work you're doing is too much, get help, or at least prioritize. Okay, put some time out for doing certain responsibilities. Have a to-do list, have a planning list. All of that is really important. Either way, your career really, really looks good. Taking your oracle cards is like bringing your ideas into life, like I was talking about. All personal businesses at this point of time, especially if you want to start a new business, it's an excellent time for you in the upcoming days. Especially the next 3 months is really coming in. So new businesses is something, if you want to start, I'm really seeing that coming out for you. But especially you may get a lot of new ideas now, and if you want to work on those ideas, you really should be working those ideas. Okay, that's something that is coming through. Again, joy aspect with the 10 of cups, you'll have that emotional fulfillment when it comes to your work. Like, you'll actually be happy doing what you're doing. Okay, that's really coming through. Energy is gaining momentum. So if there is something that you're currently working towards, okay, and you're really working hard at that, that is something you're really going to complete, and you are going to achieve the level of success that you want to achieve. Because obviously, the way I see it, you are working really hard at whatever it is that you do. And especially, if you were working towards and passing an exam, getting into a university, so please keep your efforts going, okay, because it's going to get the kind of success you want to get. Again, one thing I need to remind you of: if there is a research project that you're working or that final submission, there are some things that you need to just fine tune. That is something I'm really getting here. Okay, but either way, you are sort of heading that final point and you'll get there very soon. Power, of course, when it comes to your career, I sense the upcoming year you will actually rise to that level of fame or that level of success that you want to achieve, because it's like that completion. It's the full moon. Here you have energy is gaining momentum, and here you have that completion. So there is this little bit left for you to achieve, or little bit more to do, and once you do that, you will achieve the level of success you want to achieve. But of course, I'm also getting progression towards work, getting into higher levels of work, getting better at what you do. All of that is really coming through. And the last one is freedom from limitations, especially if right now you find yourself trapped in work situations, or if you feel like you're not getting the recognition you deserve, or you're not getting the kind of work you deserve. Especially for people who've been jobless right now, things will get better. And in fact, job related opportunities as well, I see them coming. But you'll sort of have the freedom to do what you want to do. Okay, so lot of personal businesses will really thrive in the upcoming days. Even if you're working for an organization, if you're working for somebody else, you'll get that freedom. Freedom from limiting circumstances will really come through for you in the upcoming year. That is what I see for you. If I have to leave you with something, one is try and get better at what you do. Try and fine tune yourselves. For a couple of you, if you can go to university, if you can pursue a course to get better, you should really do that. And either way, if you have too many burdens, get help. Okay, that's something I'll leave you with. Keep working hard. You will get the success that you so desire. I will leave you with that, and I shall see you in my next one.